Who the fuck are you? Ay? Who the fuck are you? Ay? Who the fuck are you? First I drop my top, ay. Then I swerve my coupe, ay. Counting all these bands, ay. Who the fuck are you? Ay? Why you all so cool? Ay? $1,000 shoes, ay. 100 on my jewels, ay. I got all these grooves. First I drop my top, ay. Then I swerve my coupe, ay. Counting all these bands, ay. Who the fuck are you? Ay? First I drop my top, right? Then I swerve my cool.
What's up, everybody? I'm back and I'm better with another video. This is DFW Kicks. We are gonna change everything. I'm just telling you, don't sleep on me, bro. Don't sleep. So basically, this Baron 13s, I think that's what they're called. We're gonna do easy restoration. He paid me $10, so he's gonna get what he paid for.
$1,000 shoes, ay. For bitches and tools, ay. For bitches and tools, ay. Fuck that bitch on Monday. Fuck her sister Tuesday. You is not gon' do a thing with my squad like Wu-Tang. I'm on another right mug. Let a little nigga try us. And a nigga with a trunk. Leave a little nigga so stuck. Britney turned me to a slut. Britney turned me to a slut. Britney turned me to a slut. Hit the bitch up in the back, ay. Never put it in the butt, ay. Put that shit all in the pussy, ay. Leave that shit all in her gut, ay.
Oscar, slow down here.
Almighty Source. You know, I'm club gang. Club gang.
Slow down here.
Ooh. Goofy ass niggas tryna kick it with all ass. You can't if you all coming in, call me thinking with no head. Oh boy, I wonder why you ain't getting no bread. Told your bitch to get on her knees, I don't want no sex. Oh, Nene, goofy ass niggas to the concert, that ain't no lane. Stop, goofy ass niggas tryna fly without no wings. Stop, goofy ass niggas want shut down in your dreams, bitch. Stop, you goofy ass niggas should lie for no reason. I'm coolin' the truck and high.
This is some good ass chicken, you know what I'm saying? Fuck a fajita. No, what's it called? The taco folding thingy, a burrito. You know, the little tortilla. Fuck a tortilla, bro. I love you, chicken. Just eat chicken. Fuck a tortilla. But I still love Mexican, bro, so. If you know how to cook Mexican food? No. If you know how to cook chicken, hit me up. If you know how to cook Mexican food? No. If you know how to cook chicken, hit me up. How that sound? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I put hella work into it. It wasn't that easy, but, you know, I did pretty good. This wasn't a normal video, basically, a normal restoration video. It was like me trying to be creative and stuff. This is a quick channel update. I'll show you guys how to get shoes. Like, alright, I paid $50 for these and I paid $15 for these. Just wait on it, bro. Like, I'm telling you, like, none of these YouTubers that tell you how to get shoes and stuff really don't know what they're talking about, because they're just used to buying it from like retail places or people who sell it for more money. And like us average people don't like necessarily have that kind of money. Like, they got YouTube income, they work, and they're older. Basically, we don't have that type of income. I'm starting to work right now, barely, but we don't have that type of income. So basically, we gotta do what you gotta do to make your money. You gotta do what you gotta do. This is my side hustle, restoring sneakers, and I do it, you know. Just, I'm not gonna say nothing else. Wait, I can't say nothing. Just wait on the video to drop. Everything gonna go crazy. Like, I'm gonna change shit. Like, not like really, but like, I'm gonna change shit, because people out there don't really tell you what to look for. And it's gonna be a type of skit. I don't know how to like execute it. I need more people with me, but you know, I'm working on it. I'm gonna work on it. I really want to like you see my smile. I really want to show you guys like the love of the game is to make money so you can buy more shoes. That's it. Like, make money and buy shoes. You don't even have to rely on your like your job to pay for your shoes. Your shoes pay for your shoes. I don't know how to explain to you. With this shoes, I could buy 3 pairs of shoes, 2 pairs of shoes. Like, this shoes is a good investment. And like, just wait on my shit. Just wait on my shit. But nonetheless, hope you guys enjoy. Crazy thumbs up, likes, like this video. Like, if you subscribe, that makes me really happy. We're like at 5 something. I am very grateful. Like, thank you so much. I love you. What's some good ass chicken?
Yeah, wow, go up. 101 huh? The tints on my shit, they're a little darker. Pouring no drink, nigga, my shit dark. The kush came in this time, a little darker. I'm whipping up a brick and the work a little darker. Kush came in this time, a little darker. Pouring drink, nigga, my shit darker. The work came in this time, a little darker. And the tints, my shit, they're a little darker. Dark tint on my Subaru red Charger. The niggas round me drink lean out water. I dark tint on my Subaru red Charger. Niggas round me, lean out water. I could dark tint on my Subaru red Charger. Niggas round me, lean out water. Never hold a job down like my father, but I can hold a block and push the rock, Sean Carter. Bitches on my dick, cause my skin real dark. A yellow bitch and the devil wears Prada. Got bitches on my dick, my skin real dark. A yellow bitch and the devil wears Prada. Got bitches on my dick, cause my skin real darker. Got a yellow and the devil wears Prada. Narcs on me, say my cartel got bothered. Big shin, lil pun get swallowed. Dog weed, super dog weed, Kelly O.